how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Big up on yourself. Thank you for coming in. I'm going to show you how I make my Jamaican cornmeal pudding, Jamaican style, Jamaican recipe. And this is all my ingredients. I have my coconut milk here. I have my flour, I have my sugar, I have my cornmeal, and I have some vanilla, cinnamon powder, and some nutmeg, and some raisin here in some flour. Yes guys, so come let me show you how I prepare my Jamaican cornmeal pudding, Jamaican style, Jamaican recipe. Yes guys, here I have my coconut milk in my container. So what I'm going to do now is to add some sugar. I'm going to put three of this spoonful in this coconut milk. 1, 2, 3. So what I'm going to do next is to just add some vanilla. So what I'm going to do now is to use my spatula and just mix until not all of the sugar, until majority of the sugar mix out in the coconut milk with the vanilla. So what I'm going to do now is to put this aside. Time for my dry ingredients. Here I have my cornmeal. Just gonna sieve. I don't want it to get lumpy, so just gonna sieve. Then I add my flour. Then I'm just gonna add 2 spoons of this flour in my cornmeal. 1, 2. Gonna add my cinnamon powder, my nutmeg, and I'm gonna sieve. Then I mix. And I mix. And here I'm going to add some salt. What I'm going to do now is to put my raisin in my cornmeal pudding, and I'm just steaming off the flour because I don't want the flour in there. The flour not supposed to go in there, that's the raisin. So I put the raisin in the flour because I don't want the raisin to stick one place. I want it to go all over the cornmeal pudding. So just gonna sieve off the flour. Just put it in my cornmeal pudding. And I'm just gonna stir it. So it's gonna go all over the cornmeal pudding. It's not gonna stay one place. So what I did, I preheat my oven. So I'm just gonna make this bake for 1 hour, and then I'll show you the after look. Okay, guys? Milk with the vanilla and the sugar. I leave some, so I just pour a little milk in there, little condensed milk. So what I'm gonna do now is just gonna spread this all over my cornmeal pudding. And it smells so good. Yeah. So I'm just gonna put back this in my oven for 10 minutes and then I take it out. This is how my cornmeal pudding looks so far. Yep. So what I'm gonna do now, just gonna get a little test. Look at this. Yep. So I'm gonna put it to cool now and then I'll show you the after look. Okay, guys? Yes, guys, this is the finished look of my cornmeal pudding. Jamaican style, Jamaican recipe. So what I'm gonna do now is to just shake it out of my pan. Ooh, look at this. So, how am I gonna do this now? Okay, and this is what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Ooh. So I'm gonna get my knife. I'm gonna slice it and show you how it looks so far. Ooh. Ooh. See this? Yummy. So I'm gonna put it on my dish here. Yes. So this is my Jamaican cornmeal pudding, Jamaican style, Jamaican recipe.